In this video, I'm going to show you how to log in Snapchat. This is going to be a short video, so make sure that you stick till the end. Tap open your Snapchat application. Now here it will show you two options, to log in or to sign up. If you've not created your account yet, you can tap on the sign up option and then join Snapchat. But if you do have an account, tap on login. Now here you need to start by typing either your username or your email address. If you don't remember your username or your email address, you can tap on use phone number instead, which is below this box. If you do that, you will have a section to type in your phone number. But if you do know your username or your email address, type it in. Next, type in the password. If you want to reveal this password, then you can click on this eye icon. And if you want this device to remember you, or if you want to stay signed in, the next time you open up Snapchat, make sure that you check this box. You can also recover your password by tapping on forgot your password. From there, you can recover and then create a new password. After you filled in all this information, tap on login. That's how you can log in to Snapchat.